fun.
Cuisinart DBM. Enjoy optimum flavor. Burr grinding provides a uniform grind to your fresh coffee beans with its 18-position grind selector. Move the slide dial from ultra fine to extra coarse to ensure your coffee grounds are exactly the way you prefer. Bodum Bistro Burr Coffee Grinder. The Bistro Burr grinder consistently crushes beans between stainless steel conical burrs. This process also preserves the beans' intrinsic flavor and aroma better than a blade grinder. Push button, preset timer allows users to grind the exact amount of coffee needed, keeping beans fresh and preventing waste. 12 adjustable grind settings allow users to go from espresso to French press with ease. Equipped with a friction clutch. Mr. Coffee Automatic Burr Mill Coffee Grinder with 18 custom grinders, 18 custom grind settings. Cord length, 24 inches. Removable bean hopper. Holds up to 1 2-pound of coffee beans. Removable grinding chamber, watts. 160. Cord storage, dual safety locking switches. Install the bean hopper onto the unit and turn clockwise until it stops with the grind size indicator on fine. Care and maintenance: always unplug your Burr mill after use and before cleaning. Baratza Encore Conical Burr Coffee Grinder, Specialty Coffee Association award-winning grinders. Baratza grinders are preferred by coffee professionals and backed by Baratza's world-class support. Go to entry-level grinder. Baratza's best-selling grinder, with its small footprint, is the choice for brewing coffee at home. Available in white or black. User-friendly and convenient, front-mounted pulse button, plus a simple on-off switch make it easy to grind fresh coffee. Breville BCG 820 BSS Smart Grinder Pro Coffee Bean Grinder, stainless steel conical burrs designed to minimize grinding heat and protect the essential oils in the coffee bean. 60 precise grind settings from the finest espresso to the coarsest French press grind. Voltage: 110-120 volts. Power: 165 watts. Precision electronic timer allows users to adjust grind time in 0.2 seconds increments and consistent dose every time. 18-ounce coffee bean capacity with locking system for easy removal, storage, and transfer of the bean hopper. Grind directly into portafilter, grinds container, gold tone filter basket or paper filter. Portafilter cradle small 50-54 mm. OXO Brew Conical Burr Coffee Grinder, durable 40 mm stainless steel conical burrs create uniform grounds for optimal flavor extraction. 15 settings let you adjust your grind to suit your taste. One touch start timer keeps your last setting, just push to grind. Hopper holds up to 0.75 pounds of coffee beans. Product dimension 12 by 7.4 by 16 inch. Grounds container accommodates up to 110 grams. Secura Electric Burr Coffee Grinder Mill. Secura Electric Burr Grinder comes with 17 grind size selections, from extremely fine to coarse, quantity control dial from 2 to 12 cups. On-off button, Automatic shut-off. Burr grinding mechanism grinds uniformly and preserve natural aroma. This automatic Burr coffee grinder takes little counter space. Always available when you need freshly ground coffee. Only for use with North American electrical standards, 120 volts, 110 watt motor. Dimension 6x4x8. 75. ETL approved product. 2-year manufacturers limited, Secura electric Burr coffee grinder mill, adjustable cup size, 17 fine to coarse grind size settings for drip, percolator. SHARDOR electric Burr coffee grinder 2.0, uniform coffee grounds. Metallic flat Burr coffee grinder avoids overheating the coffee beans for the full coffee flavor. Customizable grind. With 16 grinding settings from fine for pour over to coarse for French press. Grind on demand. 2 14 cups quantity selection settings to grind the exact quantity you need for a single cup or a large gathering. Easy to clean, removable upper burr, hopper, chamber, included brush for easy clean them. What you get? SHARDOR CG835B coffee grinder, 2-in-1 spoon, manual booklet. If you have any questions about this products, we will reply within 24 hours.